Oracle's PBCS provides a centralized, cloud-based system for the construction of plans, budgets, and forecasts. In a time when companies are exploring ways of reducing IT and hardware investment costs, PBCS offers a best-of-breed planning solution, yet requiring no software installation. Flexible, driver-based modeling is offered, together with robust reporting and ad hoc analysis features, and completely customizable budget and forecasting cycles. PBCS is highly securable and allows the control of data ownership using workflows, whilst enabling efficient and highly collaborative planning processes, which ultimately lead to shorter planning cycles. PBCS can be accessed through a web interface or via the SmartView plugin for Microsoft Office. The dimensionality of the system allows top-down and bottom-up iterative planning cycles, making use of transformed data loaded from source systems via advanced data management tools. Applications can cater for currency conversion, where multi-currencies are required, and headcount and salary expense modelling can be performed. In particular, driver-based planning, making use of global assumptions, is a popular method of budgeting. It's worth focusing for a moment on some of the key components that make up or interface with PBCS. PBCS is accessed through a web interface, which provides a clean and simple environment in which users can undertake their tasks. Data storage is provided by Essbase, with its multidimensional database and calculation engine, and reports can be created using the Financial Reporting Studio. Budget plans will need to be calculated from the base data that is input, and this is achieved through the use of business rules, which allow the scope of calculations to be controlled whilst at the same time offering huge computational power. An alternative interface to PBCS is via SmartView, an add-in for Microsoft Office that offers reporting and ad hoc analysis functions. Finally, Data Management, or FDMEE, offers data transformational capabilities for data being moved between source and target systems.